All right, family. So we want to talk about how you can activate or how you can buy contract on the Orizon platform. You know, we did the registration using SafePar. So by now you have done your registration. So launch your application. Okay, launch your SafePar application. By now you have decided how much you want to use. So you see, you are going to use USDT BEP20. Okay, I don't have anything in there. So I'm going to pause this video and make some deposit here. Then we continue. All right, so guys, my deposit is completed. You can see my USDT BEP20 now. I've put in some 200 because that's what I want to use. Okay, so now that your money or your fund is in your wallet, click on the Explorer. Okay, click on the Explorer. Then you click in this search engine here. Just click there. You will definitely see every link you have connected to your wallet. You see it here. Okay, this wallet I've connected Bitnest. I've connected Orizon. So I'm going to click on the Orizon. Then it will come here for me. So the chain is already how do you call it? The chain is already on the BNB already. So I'll just click on this go at the top left, the top right corner. I'll just click on go. I'll confirm. Okay. Then I'll wait patiently for it to open. Okay, so I'm here now. This is my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard. Now, this is the menu. Now, if you click on the menu, you see everything there. You see your dashboard. You see fixed stake. You see flexi stake. You see bond. I'll talk about bond contribution and all the rest. But for now, we are talking about the stake. The staking we have fixed and we have flexi. Okay, I've explained all that in my other video. I am going for fixed because I like anything compounding. Okay, so I'll go for fixed. So I'll click on fixed stake. I'll make another video to show you how the flexi staking is done. Okay, I'll talk about the advantages. You need to be part of this channel because we are going to be talking a lot about this project. Okay, so I click on fixed stake. Now, scrolling down, you will see that you have a number of days you can fix stake. Okay, 360, 180, and then 90. Okay, all right. Already I have one contract that is running for 360. This very one I'm going to do it for 180. Okay, so I'll click on 180. Then you can see your amount of USDT that is displaying here. Okay, now you click on this one that says approve USDT. After staking your period of stake, you approve USDT. Then you click on agree. Okay, click on agree, and then you confirm with either your fingerprint or whatever. Okay, now it will now bring you here. Right, so it will not bring you here. Now it says approve Ori. So what it means is that your 200 USDT has been used to buy Ori by the system automatically. So you are now going to stake that Ori. All right, that is how the platform works. You buy Ori and stake. All right, so you are now going to approve or stake Ori. Now if you go down, you will see everything you need to see here. You see it here. Okay, if you scroll going, you will see everything. So it means that your 200 dollars has been bought with Ori. So you can see here first time buy Ori to staking. Okay, so you click on this approve Ori, and then you confirm, you agree. Okay, and I must warn you that you need some amount of BNB for gas fee. So some small amount of BNB will be okay. So I have approved. I need to wait for it to go through. Okay. All right. So it has gone through. So what it is now going to do is it will ask you to enter the amount of USDT you are going to be used to buy the Ori. I want to use all. So I will click on max and all my 200.04 will appear there. Okay. Then I will now click on buy and fix stake. So you click on buy and fix stake, and then you agree. Okay, once you agree, you see everything is about smart contracts. The smart contract is doing everything for you. So you agree and then allow it time to load. Okay, now perfect. So you can see everything is okay here. You see the number of Ori you are able to buy with your 200 USDT and all that. So you just wait for 180 days, and then your it keeps compounding. The amazing thing is it compounds. So by 180 days, the contract might have ended, and then there you go. All right. So you follow me, I will be directing you one by each. All right. So guys, I'll end it here, and I'll see you. Thank you.